Welcome to Tectonic. Now, the price of Tectonic has been going up in the past few days, but recently Tectonic has been actually be trading on red. Now, the price of Tectonic, we are hoping that this Tectonic will attract the interest of many more crypto exchange. Right now, Tectonic is being listed on 4 exchange, and 2 among these exchange can be ranked among the top crypto exchange. We are talking about Hotbit and Crypto.com. Now, the price of Tectonic is going to really increase massively if Tectonic is listed on Binance. Now, remember that Binance is the #1 crypto exchange out there, and whenever Binance lists any coin, expect that coin to really increase in price. And whenever Coinbase also lists the coin, expect that coin to really increase in price. Now, we are hoping that Binance founder CZ is going to find interest on Tectonic. I mean, if they will really accept Tectonic, believe it, Tectonic is going to be a massive boom, because now with Binance and Crypto.com already have listed it. Now, this is going to have Tectonic is going to have many more traders, many more holders within the next few months. Okay, now we believe that the developers of Tectonic are actually working hard to make sure Tectonic have access to many more crypto exchanges. That is the only way Tectonic will really increase in price faster. Now, Tectonic still need to burn a lot of trillions of tokens. Tectonic is currently trading with over 500 trillion tokens. So Tectonic needs to burn a lot, and in order to do this, they need community. They need a lot of people who will buy Tectonic and who will also support Tectonic by burning part of their Tectonic tokens. Now, Binance founder have been supporting Terra Classic. Okay, Terra Classic currently is trading with 3 zeros, and we believe that if he can really have interest on Tectonic, also expect a massive increase in price on Tectonic. Now, Tectonic, according to CoinMarketCap.com, this coin currently have over $17 million market cap. That is to say, if Tectonic market cap can hit $100 million soon, then Tectonic will be heading its way to $300 and $500 million. And with that alone, a $10 investment on Tectonic can return over $200 to $500. Even if you invest $100 on Tectonic, you are going to massively make good return on investment. Now, remember, this video is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision. Once again, thank you for stopping by.